Hi, this is Mrs. Bartling. I'm a second year ag teacher here at Iowa Falls Alden, and I'm going to be talking about our ANSI 2 class that's taught this third term. So ANSI 2 coursework builds on the basic concepts that ANSI 1 gave our students, and we're doing more complex issues and lessons and concepts. We have 2 bucket calves or bottle calves in our shop that students are helping to care for, both in terms of pen sanitation and nutritional needs and logging and taking records on their growth. We've worked on housing needs for species, focused on large livestock and poultry across different stages of production and how that changes, trying to get students to realize that animals have needs to live their best life and to produce animals humanely. We're also going to be working on feed and nutrition requirements and how to balance rations across different life stages. You know, as animals change and as they're doing different things, whether it's reproductive or aging, or laying eggs, or if they're in a regenerating phase, they have different nutritional needs, and helping kids understand that and know how to figure that out is something that's very important. We're also working on health evaluations for illness, and we will have the opportunity to do a basic necropsy lab in our class. If we have time, we will also be working with EPDs and similar quality production identities across different species, and we will also be looking at how to do a herd breeding plan based on reproduction and operation goals. If you have any questions about the ANSI 2 class, please feel free to give me a call or email. I'm at the school and we're very busy with this class. There are a lot of things that we're doing in here. So if you have any questions or if your students are having any concerns, please feel free to reach out to me.